Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi 12 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can change the display refresh rate of this device. You need to begin by opening Settings, then scroll down just a bit and click on Display section. Now you need to scroll down again, select Refresh Rate and tap on the best one for you. I will go with the highest one. So now when I click on Home button, as you can see, refresh rate of this smartphone has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!